Hello everyone. It's been a while. Happy New Year's to everybody. Yeah, I still don't have the feeling it's 2026. For me, it still feels like 2025. But yeah, we've survived through 2025. I for sure thought we would be in a World War III by now. I'm not joking. I for sure thought we will be extremely screwed. But hey, our governments didn't get us killed. That's a positive, right? They almost got us killed, but we're still alive. And yeah, that's what matters. We're still alive. We survived 2025. Now we have to survive through 2026. And yeah, this year, I'm for sure gonna say it's gonna be spicy. It's gonna be very, very spicy. But people, yeah, we're gonna work on some game stuff today. I got a couple things I want to work on, including Mining Gang 2. It's in the works. I've spent a couple days, like prototyping, writing up ideas. And yeah, I'm excited to show what I have. And I'm trying to set everything up because it's been a while. So that's pretty good in the orange zone. Music should be good right now. It should not be too loud, not be too quiet. I want to go through this playlist, as this is, it's freaking good. It's Gold by Stream Beats. All right, people. Am I ready to? I'm not yet, and we can play some lumbering first, right? Discuss over the plans and stuff. If you guys want to join, right? Let me quickly. Streamlabs, please open web browser. Oh, so I have to do this now. Thank you very much, Streamlabs. Here, Streamlabs, you're a pain in the bum. I want this right here. Don't clip. Please don't clip. Can I just chuck it in here? No. Just leave it here, I guess. Alright. I've got a chat now, so I can talk with you guys. It's right in front of my pause button, which is not great. Now it's great. Alright. Yeah. You guys should be able to see my screen now. Yes, you can see my screen. We're very good. Welcome to Lumbering, people. Still one of my most favorite projects I've worked on. There we go. My sensitivity is way too great. That's better. Welcome. You guys know the game, pretty much, right? It's super fun. I've been playing. I've got a really good setup now in my own game. What is it called? Hey, this one is new. Sometimes I don't look even at the trucks that have been added. I know, I'm bad. Who cares? I've been using this one. I mean, it looks really great, right? It looks so great. And with this, right, including a trailer. Oh, it's gonna look so good, right? Including one of those. That's something we can fix today, I guess. Is these spawn trailers that have been left behind after X amount of time, because right now it doesn't. It does despawn in certain areas, which yeah, that's not great, right? That's not great. So let me go and talk with Roberto. We spawned this trailer. Do I have to re-enter the trailer? But that everything is fine. Too bad, people. I don't have a VIP server, so it's gonna be public. I can throw people out, but I'm not that mean. I could throw out Ethan, but nah, I'm not gonna be that mean. All right, we have a very short train this time. Only 30. Not bad. So, people, My plans for Mining Inc. 2. Should I spoil them? Yes, I'm gonna spoil them. So, people, Mining Inc. 2 is still gonna be a collaborative game. But you can customize your vehicle. Like, you can make a custom drill. That's my goal. Eventually, you can upgrade drill sizes. You can upgrade bed sizes. That's what I have in plan. We're gonna see if it's gonna work out. Ignore that I have the mobile UI. It's because I have a touchscreen connected to this thing. Which is the thing I'm looking chat at. But yeah, that's my plan, is to make Mining Inc. good. Have the smooth chassis from Limber Inc. Instead of completely physics based like this, I want it to be semi. So you drag, then if you hover above here and you drop, it would automatically place into your vehicle. It would still be weight based, just like Lumber Inc. But instead of having logs and you have to manually drag them in, make sure they all fit, I just want like the squares to go into your bed. That's what I have in plan. Ooh, purple tree. I'm gonna get that purple tree. I forgot its name, but I definitely chopped it down. You're correndized the tree. But yeah, that's my plan. I want people to be able to build. So if you want to reach something with your truck, you could use wedges, I guess. You could use bricks to build a staircase up to it with your vehicle. Strength. So instead of like Mining Inc. works like you touch the ore, it breaks, right? That's not great, right? So, strength. Some ores will have different strengths. How deeper you go, how more strength, like how longer it takes to mine a single block. So just like wood, where if you hold down, like this one has 21, this one has 12, probably this one has 21 as well, not 29. It has different strength. Like each takes some time, right? At the start, it's gonna be very easy to chop down. You're gonna start with a hauler and a pickaxe. You're not gonna get a drill just yet. You have to work your way up to it. And pretty much what's gonna happen is you're gonna mine until a certain depth before you think it's taking too long to mine, right? Still have to fix that issue. Come on, fix. There we go. Like the slowing down, which is a networking issue, which I've been talking with Roblox about it, but they have yet to find a solution for me. But yeah, that's some of the plans I have for Mining Inc. Right? It's gonna be pretty cool. Whoa, Milo! Seriously? Stupid kitty. Milo thought, I'm gonna just jump right in front of him and scare the crap out of him. Huh, Milo? He just wants to sit in front of my window. He's cute. Dry vehicle. I still have some stuff to go. Alright, we're gonna quickly fill this up and then we're gonna work on the game. I'm gonna show you what I've got. What I want to work on. What we can also work on is on the update of this game. Straps have to be finished because I want to publish those. Helicopter has to be tested because I've written a completely new and you're going in the trailer. Screw you, you're just going in here. This is like so much better than the previous drag system. Like if you just be like, I want to move it differently, just click where you want to grab and then it works. I love it. It's such an improved system. Instead of like it would automatically center itself and then was bad and Alright, we have a full truck. Let me make a U-turn around here. Barely missing that tree. That tree I'm gonna hit. I'm pro driver. Trust me. I'm very pro driving. Hey, we made it out. too soon, too soon. Yeah, too soon. I'm fun. I dropped my trailer. My bad. This sucks. Please. I need to hook it up. Come on. Attach. Perfect. Now don't crash into a tree, please. Oh. Perfect. There you go. Now I'm a pro driver. It's a Lumber Tech. It's not Lumber Tycoon, it's Lumber Inc. Oh, hi Seth. What you mean? It's goodbye. Yeah, it's based on what Lumber Tycoon is, because it's good. How it works, it's quite smart. What you do? I cast when you click mouse a ray towards the part, which gives me a C-frame in return. Then I instance that new attachment point into the part and set its world position and world C-frame, or well, just world C-frame, to the hit point, the C-frame that you get back from recasting. And then I transfer the network ownership to the player by asking the server first, obviously. Ouch, that sucks. But yeah, that's how I do it. And then when you're done dragging, I just remove the attachment point. And then in there, I just use, I believe, a position and gyro. And yeah, I mean, Sith knows exactly how it works, but you guys don't. Now you do. Can you bring back the Bryson's normal stats before the nerf? No. The stats are here to stay. But, just saying, the helicopter did not get nerfed. Just saying. But the speed, right? That's the issue. It does not display properly. But it did not get nerfed. You still can hold one log, right? Only it's based on weight. You can actually hold 1.5. So depending on which wood, just like vehicles. Which makes you think more about which wood you're gonna take. Are you just gonna take 1 pine? Or are you gonna be like, I'm gonna take 2 oak? That's how it works, right? So we have two. We have the Bryson and the Firebird. Firebird is the worst one. Bryson is the better one. Speed is still not properly updated. Next update, it will be properly updated because I completely recoded the chassis. Works so much better. In my opinion, it feels smoother instead of this feels a bit mwah. But yeah, Bryson is not nerfed. It's actually got an upgrade, even though we changed from capacity to volume. Like, I can probably bring 2 of those with me. 2 of the, I can't remember what they're called. No, just 1 and probably an oak. So if there's an oak right here laying on the floor, I can probably bring that one with me as well. And then you already have like 2 logs. It's better than the 1 capacity you had. So yeah, let me just grab 1 more. Let's just grab this one quick. Again, this is also a work together game. Okay, now we're overloaded. But even though we're overloaded, we can still fly. Like, if I grabbed a smaller one of these, I could have flown faster. Not that I know of. I did not plan any trailers. But it could be that Nikas has something in mind. I just do some coding and he does all the model design. So he can add trailers without me interacting with it because it's a good system. He can just give it a name, trailer ID, then he can just set the stats and that's it. Then the game automatically adds it to the store. Here, you deal with it, I'm not gonna deal with it. Bye. But yeah, that's what I've planned for Mining Inc. I'm a pro, shut up. I'm very professional. Don't judge me. Yes, I don't care. Alright, people. Have I shown you this? I don't believe I did. The mining system is still pretty much based on what Sith has made. Only I changed the generation of blocks. I meant to hit run, not play here. Yeah, ignore that. I'm still working on this. This should be dynamic boundaries. There are caves. This is what I added. I added the same noise stuff that Mining Inc has. It's pretty much the default size plus some studs to make it not look smooth, a bit more rocky texture. But yeah, we have pocket caves now. I did not add worm caves because those would be too painful to generate. Yeah, same terrain generation as before. I might change up the noise a little bit, that it goes much further deep. But yeah, this is what I have so far. You can destroy a block, it would generate around it. And yeah, each block has its own strength value. So if you look here, we have max strength, which would take like a second to mine with a normal pickaxe, right? Did I drop my trailer? About Lumber Inc. or Mining Inc. 2? For Lumber Inc. it would be, for Mining Inc. 2 it would be as easy as just editing the generation data, which that's this. So if we want to say red stone, we give it a red color. Then we just set the minimum depth to 1 and the max depth unlimited, and then we just give it a little bit less rarity, 1500, 3000. Hit run, and then you see like how further deep or more. Actually, hold on. Should be 2. That layer is 1 already. So yeah, after this layer you can see it generating, and I could be like the max depth of stone should be max 2 or max 3. Stop, run. Then after this it starts to become red. So that's how we can make different levels in like different depths inside of this. But yeah, that would be not coded like this pretty much, but it would be coded differently because stone we can just modify it. We just have an if statement, and then if depth is like this, just change. Also increase the strength based on depth eventually. What about Lumber Inc? Actually I can show you probably what we're working on. Hello there, welcome to the stream. Working with the rusty saw at Hollow Tree. Hollow Tree equipment is where you can equip your tools pretty much. And then Steel Axe is pretty much the store. Please load up. I think Roblox is having a stroke. Pretty much. There we go. Now it's loading. Please load faster. I don't think Starlink is having fun today. There we go. Alright, people. We're removing this barricade. That would lead all the way up to here. And this is a brand new area, which we're adding. I would not say soon. We have to remove some of the bushes, like these are just for decoration now. It's still bland, still needs decoration. Still needs some changes, like we want to remove this path, so you have to drive over this arch. Yeah, some areas, it's a small area, we probably extend it to here, remove that barrier. But yeah, this is already quite a big area, I would say. Not like you can go down here and then here's more, right? This will be very good wood, or well, would be good. Some more caves probably. We're prototyping a couple of caves, like right here. Here's one which goes all the way here, and it goes, just go down and then exit here. See your lodge, and then maybe we can go down. But yeah, we're working on it. It's not yet done, as you can see. It's very rough. This area is sort of done, but this is what we're working on. Why can't cut trees together now? That's because of people complaining that people are stealing. Now, we want people to have full credit. So when we added the gold tree, it was first a joke, right? Gold tree you cannot reach because here's a boundary, right? You cannot reach the gold tree without exploiting out of the boundary. So it was a joke. When we added it, people started to fight over it. So we thought, like, adding a system where if one person chops a tree, it will be claimed for X amount of time, right? So if I chop oak, it will be claimed for me for like 10 seconds. Then if I don't interact with it again within the 10 seconds, then other people can interact with it. That's to give to give more fairness about who found a tree, right? Who gets the credit for that tree. So that's how it works. That's why you cannot chop together anymore. Dutch is going to be... you mean this? A little bit further. I thought I removed these boundaries. This right here, yeah, I still need to move it over, but normally there was stuff here. Working on it. Okay, I'm working on it. Can this be gone? Thank you. Work on it. We want there to be the pallet factory. As mentioned, we wanted to add more stuff for dispatchers to do. So it's gonna be pretty much that. An area for people to do the dispatching stuff. So they... beg my pardon. Yeah, so they pretty much don't hog the crane output, the crate or pallet output as much, right? They have to actually do something instead of be lazy. Because right now, dispatchers is one of the most lazy jobs you can do. You just sit there, do nothing, let everybody else do the hard work, and you just drop the pallets off, right? But now they would need to pick up, make sure the machine is stocked, filled with pallets, and yeah, do whatever else, right? That's okay. Squads, there will be FIP servers for it, right? We can disable that feature in FIP servers. But yeah, that's what FIP servers are for. Like, we're not gonna add a specific squads feature. We're just gonna utilize FIP servers, right? You pay for it, we get money for it, and yeah. Alright people, let's work on stuff. So I want to make a pickaxe. I've copied over some stuff, I believe. Did I publish it over? It's still in my MacBook. No, it's that right here. So I was utilizing parts of Ring. This is pretty much how we do it. So every tool has its own remote function, remote event, which we verify obviously if the player is doing stuff. So exporters cannot do much. Yeah. So this will be load up. This is the server, and then there's a script on the client. We have we just got pickaxe server, and then we just have one for the client, so pickaxe client, which yeah, we check like, oh, you're holding a pickaxe tool, sure, we'll do this. Right here it's gonna be an attribute called tool type. I'm gonna have a couple things, I guess. String. Tool type is gonna be pickaxe, and then we know like, oh, we need pickaxe server, we need to do this, we can. Right now I just have to require it. Game server storage tool. Is it server storage? It should be server storage. Should not be replicate storage. That would be problematic, because then people can steal the code. Pickaxe server, and then script the parent. That's how we would require, and that's it. So we just have an instance. We don't have to reuse code every time. We have one module. We can probably give it more arguments right here. That's how we would do it. Right, let me grab the other game. So if you guys know, I'm obsessed with mining games, right? I'm very obsessed with mining games. And I've made a mining game back in, I don't know, 2022, 2023? Right, I was obsessed with epic mining. I wanted to recreate it, so I just made like a prototype and stuff. So I want to utilize some stuff of this, like, oh, this is so slow. But it works. See, look, you see like the textures, like breaking textures. Oh, Roblox added something. They added image streaming. Sith, you seen that? They added image streaming. Holy shit. That's cool. They don't load the full image at once. They just load like bytes by byte. Now it's loaded. Now it's in my memory. Yeah, here, look. That's so cool. Yo, when did they release this? This is really cool. I don't see any announcement regarding it, but that's really cool. That's so cool. Boop. Yeah, that's so cool though. I love how uncanny this game is. No animation, just hold down and just. Can I cheat my way to a faster pickaxe? It's been a while since I touched this game. Pickaxe, how do we do it? Strength 10. Does that update? Oh yeah, that does update. Ooh. We just do speed divided by. Let's just do 100. Just for shits and giggles. Oh, beautiful. Ooh. Look, caves. I love this. This is nice. It's very practical. What a teleporter service. It's been I just want to check this out now. Happy New Year's to you as well. Thank you. Blacksmith, stone pickaxe. I love the use of sign. Does not do anything. So all. I have one empty barrel. Do I have a pump? Yes, I do. Oh, cool. We use the surface Ardorni. 100% Seth, you remember this place. This game. I want to find some stuff to use my pump for. See if that still works. %. This is, by the way, how I want to use mining ink. Small squares. Well, I mean larger than this. Did we just only find one thing? Yeah, we did. That's lame. For sure, I would be able to hit some, like, find something. You can already notice, like, my mining going slower based on a depth modifier. I haven't seen this is not the quarry. Does the quarry have fluids? I wanna see if we can add this mechanical fluids to mining too, because that would be so cool. To surface. Yep. No, this is a prototype game I made in a really long time ago. Can I open? No. Can I not open it to? I have to go to that guy. So all money. It's such a simple game. I love that we did not use any attributes here. We're just gonna do. Can we just infinitely make the range? Range. 1,000. This is fun. I love how it's not yet broken. Ooh. Yeah, I cannot find oil. That sucks. I forgot how rare I made it. Yeah, there are fluids in this game, which I want to show and utilize, but for some reason, I just want to show it. I just made it that rare that it's going to be fluid. Never dig straight down. Never dig straight down. How am I gonna do this now? Well, I know there's a lot. If I just cheat myself a better pickaxe again. Oh, that's so funny. 100 arrange 1,000. If we do, I see the lava now. Dude, I wonder how well I coded this because it's so long ago. I think the blocks get destroyed when they touch lava. Actually, I think we're good right here. Okay, we're good. So, oh, it's perfect. Let's see. I want to see if this works. Don't empty it out completely, please. Camp man here. Oh, also, I did write this perfectly. How do I do mining protection? Oh, actually, we do use attributes. Why not on the player? Stone, item E. Protected, yeah. Touching liquid. I actually got it pretty well, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, that was fun. Oop. Okay, that's pretty much that's indeed a liquid for sure. Yes. But yeah, should I add this to mining ink too? That would be cool if we also can add fluids. Would add a bit of a challenge, like if we can use lava to speed up the refinery. That would be really cool. Ooh. But yeah, I want to use parts of this pickaxe. It's horribly written for sure. Yeah. I mean, test weight was not a thing here yet. Why did we at a 0.02 weight? How did I just... you can still get gold wood. It's in lumber ink, it's like a very small percentage. I'm gonna grab something to drink. You can copy this if you want. I would not care. I'll be back. I'm gonna quickly grab a Red Bull. Not sponsored, unfortunately, but I'm gonna grab a Red Bull. I have returned, and it's extremely cold outside. Whew. I live in a very small mobile home, and I have a shed outside with Red Bull. And there's a fridge with Red Bull. So I just went outside, went to my shed and grabbed my Red Bull. Now it's ice cold. It's called being smart because now you don't use waste energy on the fridge inside of your home. We can just yeet it outside. Alright, yeah. So this is the code. What I want to do, actually, we should probably open as well a copy of lumber ink, because I kind of want to react like the chainsaw, where you just hold one and just click. So what we just do is this. I'm just going to quickly increase my heating. Home assistant. Home assistant. Increase it to 26 degrees, so it goes up one. Yeah, this is the proper limerink. Yeah, look. Yeah, there's the to-do area. See? Chainsaw. Server. No need to. We just focus on clients. I just want to quickly read through this. Why are we... Oh, this is server. I was like, why are we doing on server folk? Okay, I understand completely. So from the client, I believe we use user input library, user input service. Which for my module system, what I always do, I can just yeet it, go to start UI, put it in here, throw in services, check if it requires any other services. Set as touch this script because there's an optimized still. That's just a what's it called? Clear sign. If you want to know Sith has touched their script, always adds either this and strict. Always he adds those two lines. I hate strict. It annoys me. And then this we can keep. This is very nice because this is pretty much my icon library stuff. I can't remember where I got them, but this automatically changes from PlayStation to Xbox. But there's an icon set which I need, which is inside of replicated storage, interaction icons, which I need anyway. Please, can I get my interaction icons back? I want my interaction icons. Thank you. This I should have made it a packet, so it's synced across all. Well, not talking today properly, not at all. It should be. I should make it a package so it's synced across Mining Inc, Remastered Lumber Inc, and so Mining Inc 2. There we go. Now I can talk properly. Oh god. My brain's melting. I've slept so horribly last night. I went to bed at 8, I woke up at 10, and then I just could not fall asleep, and I went to sleep again at 3. So, and then I woke up at 10. So, rough night. Very rough night. It was storming outside, and yeah, pretty much so badly storming outside. It was hailing and snowing like a couple hours ago. Now it's nice and sunny outside. That's typical Dutch weather, by the way. Just saying, typical Dutch weather. Just replicated storage? Yes. Do we need anything else? No, we don't. No, we don't. Okay. Alright. Now we can focus further on pickaxe server. So this will pretty much start mining is gonna be through on Syrian connect function. If I want to have another variable called equipped. Equipped. While activated and equipped. Equipped. Do I seriously have to go work? Ooh. That's near me. Okay, I'm not gonna respond to this. Because that would mean I have to work and I don't want to work. Right? W Sith Mark. Yeah, exactly. While equipped and activated and saturate current session and target part. And it's within the range, and the range is gonna be pretty much that. We want to verify player. Do we store the current player? We don't. Local player. No. We trigger that whenever tool table. Actually, did we clean that up in the order script, or did I leave a memory leak out there? Did I leave a memory leak? Yes, I did. No, this cannot be table inserted. Never mind. How do you even disconnect that then? Table insert. Which one is that? Oh, it's that one. I've been there yesterday to fix power. The roof blown off, which sucks. But I don't want to work. Don't want to go outside right now because it's cold. No, it's not for the burn. It's just to. I'm by the way looking for a new desk. This one, it's nice. It's a bit small in my opinion in terms of depth, because IKEA added like this tray behind it and it's not sturdy. So I'm looking into a new desk. I believe this is 130. I believe I can have at least 140 by, what is this? 140 by 120. So I'm looking at a corner desk also because I got a printer. And I want to put that printer onto the desk instead of on the floor right now. Which I have a extension lead from the power receptacle here to that printer. Hella expensive printer, by the way. The printer alone costs like 230 euros, and then the ink is like 4 cartridges. It's a laser printer. That cost like, I don't know, 250? But also, we want to check before this. Platjer. Yes, sounds very Norwegian. Sounds very Norwegian. Platjer. And then we just do a table, not insert connections to pickaxe that unequipped connect function equipped. I'm so used to typing on a Mac right now, it's annoying. I've been working on an app right now, waiting for Apple to approve it. Apple, let me check. Apple, have they approved it? Not yet. At the 29th of December, they said, thank you for submitting your app. Thank you for submitting blank for review. We know you've worked hard to develop your app and we're excited to review it. Over 50% of apps are reviewed within 24 hours and over 90% are reviewed in 48 hours. Once we've completed the review, your app status will be updated and you will be notified. This was on the 29th of December. I'm not great at math, but I know 1 day is 24 hours. I know that 2 days is 48 hours. And I know that 30th is a day, the 31st is a day, January 1st is a day, and January 2nd is a day. If you count 4 times 24, right? What do we get? 96 hours. Yeah? 96. Yes. That's more than 48. Right? Right? Apple, please freaking review my app and accept it. I've worked hard on it. I don't know. There was something, but that was not related to reviewing apps. That was related to a country changing currency to euro, and that was on the 30th. My guess, they have just a lot of apps to review because of the New Year's. Probably companies published an update. And now I'm forced to wait, which sucks. Should this not be Delta time? Should that not be local DT? Yeah, no. Yeah, 1/8. Why? There we go. I was like, huh? Probably. I mean, let me grab my MacBook and quickly check if maybe I just did. Wait, I can check on my phone actually. Apple developer.apple.com account. Sign in. Please use my password. No, not that one. No, wrong one. You're using the wrong account, stupid. You're using the wrong one. I need that one. Sign in. I don't want to sign in my private account. That would be stupid because then people know what my email is. App Store Connect. I don't care about that card. That card is not expired. It works. Shut up. App Store. Now go to App Store Connected. Apple.com. Just waiting for review. Yeah, no. 2025 Dutch developer app icon. Contact information is all proper. Manual release it. You know, it's still not approved. It's still waiting for review, which sucks. It's such a basic app. It's like, so basic. But yeah, that's Apple for you. Apple is, if you're a developer, Apple is a pain in the ass, if I have to be honest. Hey Sith, question. I want to update the strength visualization. These. Right now on the other gun I have a pickaxe server. Would it be better to just do an unchanged value on each ore? Or just... No, never mind. I just answered my own question. Best way to do is just have a remote event on the server and then be like, yo, I mined this block. Can you update the texture in service code by ag? You got it. And then update it. I was thinking way ahead of where we are right now. But that's me. I always think way too ahead of myself. If pickaxe is the sense off, then both to be off should be. Actually, do it. Yeah, we do need to equip. Never mind. Target, no target. Equipped false. Equipped false. So it's not activated, not equipped, because it's not a web member of the player character anymore. And this can only trigger if you have player. Equals player, then this should be just returned. This is an explorer trying to fire the remote as it serve. You okay? It's okay. My cat got spooked. I don't know by what, but he got spooked. Ooh. Yeah, pretty much. Why are you complaining about that? Oh, you don't know it's a player because we have strict. No. If player, we just isn't. Where's the isn't button? There's isn't player, then return. And that's because this remote is on the server side, which means cheaters can see it. Which means if they can see it, they can try to fire it, which is not what we want, right? So if it's not a player, then we return end, and the player is only the being set if whenever they equip the tool, right? And then pretty much we can say state boolean activated state, then set target, then if state or if activated and equipped, we can do start mining. Otherwise this will automatically stop pretty much. We can also do set else session ID session, because set an invalid session ID, which means if they try to double click, automatically session ID is invalid. YouTube sucks every time a full screen exited. Yeah. I wish there was another platform I can stream to, but I don't like Twitch anymore. So, yeah. I rather just I might end the stream in a bit. They need my help, so. I'm also curious. Yeah, we'll see. Like, we can Google. Does Apple not review apps during holiday period? Yeah, apps are not reviewed. I heard, yeah, it's true. That's 1 week ago. That's why. Do they have a date when they will be reviewing? I'm so connected about this. It will continue a bit slower due to her usage. With the number time for yeah, might not. Okay, we'll see. Like, I wanted to get it out. New year, new app. We'll see what happens, right? Damage range. Yeah, just damage and range. That's all we need. On server invoke connect no equals function player and then target object question mark no, what is it, base part question mark. If target, then else target is invalid, otherwise if target, actually we can just very easily do this. If target is distance of workspace that mine. We have to do more checkups eventually, like if it's not already, like if we want to add fluids, if it's not protected, right? And not protected, then although we just set the target part, target, and then return. So it just quits, never here, otherwise it triggers this. I'm a coder. I'm so good at code. I'm joking. Yeah. What really bothered me was the incident where this one fan tried to kiss. I don't know if he actually. Yeah, he tried to kiss an influencer, and the security did nothing much about it. And Twitch, yeah, they just failed to keep their streamers safe. What do you mean the trailer graveyards? You mean the people that despawn their trailers? Yeah. We're addressing that, pretty much. It's funny, we just only finished the server code, we still have to do the client code. Fun. Everything is fun. Where is my lovely game? That's much better. If we just set it as a base part with a question mark, then it's optional. Strength, comma, math, dot, highest number which is 0, or current strength minus damage. Right, damage, base damage. There we go. And then if actually we can just do the much is new strength. Just this. And then if new strength 0, then we just do. Can you do? Yeah, you can do that. I had an event, I believe. It's called event, but I don't know if it does anything. It does. I'm so. Oh, no, this is not the event I mean. Oh God, no. Yes, Seth, I'm reusing money in code. Shut up. I can hear you thinking from here. I just can hear thinking. Mine floor. No, it's just mining service and then event. Yeah, here. No. Where do we remove it? Start. Oh, no. In like 10 minutes, I want to quit. I want to chill down a bit. I have to probably help fix something. Bomb, right. Damn right. Where? I swear I already had this coded. I had find destroy. That's not it. Do we listen here? No, we don't. I don't think we do that here. Find destroy. No, we don't. Interesting. We never. Either I removed the code. I think it just got overwritten. It's fine. We'll do this. Very easy, right? For mine, we just do game that replicates server storage. Events that mine, fire. We just do fire and then we just give it the target part. That's all we need to do, I believe. All I need is a tool class handler in client. And then you replicate storage. It's gonna be a bit different than. Alright. I've had enough streaming. This is taking way too much energy. So I'm gonna end the stream right here. I'm gonna chill for a bit. Have to help fix them something. Yeah, I'm gonna work on this. It was fun streaming with you guys. Should probably do this more often. Maybe I could stream tomorrow after work. But yeah, catching a stray, but you may not be wrong. Oh. Anyhow, people, I hope you enjoyed the stream. If you did, make sure to subscribe to me on YouTube. You can watch the stream back. Just saying, would help. because then I can use super cheers, because right now YouTube requires you to upload a video and I don't wanna do that. I just, let me show you what I mean. If I click on here and if I click on earn, right? See this? Yeah? We kind of have to fix that. We need 3,000, right? So, in order to get supers, which I want to have super chats. So, I'll be uploading the stream. If you watch it back for me, even if it's in the background, I'll be happy.